Unraveling the Enigma. The meaning of mystery man, woman. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very intriguing set of phrases that often pop up in stories, movies, and sometimes even in real-life discussions. Yes, you've guessed it. We're talking about the terms mystery man and mystery woman. Stay tuned as we uncover the meaning, usage, and nuances of these phrases to help you understand and use them effectively in your English conversations. The phrases mystery man and mystery woman refer to an individual whose identity is unknown or hidden. This can be because they prefer to remain anonymous, their identity has not been revealed yet, or simply because they possess an aura of mystery. These terms don't just describe someone who is mysterious by nature. They specifically point to an individual whose identity is a puzzle or a secret to the observer or the general public. These phrases are often used in narratives or news reports to describe someone involved in an event, story, or situation whose identity has not been disclosed or discovered. For example, in a detective story, a mystery man might leave clues for the protagonist without revealing who he is. In real life, a mystery woman might donate a large sum of money to a charity, with everyone wondering who she is. Examples: the police are looking for a mystery man seen leaving the scene of the crime. The whole town is buzzing about the mystery woman who's been performing random acts of kindness. While the terms mystery man and mystery woman are straightforward in their basic meaning, they also carry certain connotations. They can evoke a sense of intrigue, curiosity, and sometimes suspicion. In popular culture, mystery men or women are often portrayed as enigmatic figures with hidden motives or backgrounds, adding layers of depth to stories and characters. When using these phrases, it's important to remember that they imply a lack of known identity or an element of secrecy. They are perfect for situations where you want to emphasize the mysteriousness of someone's identity or when discussing a person who has deliberately kept their identity hidden. However, be mindful of the context, as these terms can sometimes suggest a negative mystery or imply wrongdoing, depending on how they're used. And there you have it, the mystery behind the mystery man and mystery woman revealed. We hope this video has shed some light on these intriguing phrases, making it easier for you to understand and use them in your English communications. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the stories and mysteries they unfold. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.